Rabb. The one who looks after every need and every aspect of our life until we reach maturity. Well, until we return to Him, because He's always looking after us. This is the first meaning of the word Rabb. Now, who is usually given the term Murabbi? Who can tell me? Who is usually given this word, Murabbi? A teacher. Who else? Parents. Now, why is a teacher and a parent given this word, Murabbi, someone who gives tarbiyah? Because a parent, they have a child when the child is zero, nothing. Allah says in the Quran, Allahu akhrajakum min butuni ummahatikum la ta'lamuna shay'a. Allah removed you from the wombs of your mothers and you knew nothing. You were useless. You were fully dependent. Babies don't even have neck muscles. They have to be propped up. They are dependent upon their murabbi, their parent, for everything. When a child is in their mother's womb, they are even dependent on their mother for blood circulation. They are connected to their mother via the umbilical cord. They are fully dependent. That is why the parent is a murabbi. And the parent takes this useless, spineless, boneless, muscleless child, this baby, and they nurture and look after their every need until they are an adult. This is so selfless. It's so tough. It's so difficult. It requires so much hard work and so much energy. So you get the honor of the term murabbi. You looked after this child's every need until they were ready to look after themselves. A teacher gets a child. Now this child, they're not looking after the child physically, but this child knows zero, sirf, nada, zilch, nothing. And they take this child and they teach it, morsel by morsel, letter by letter, alif to ya, until, very patiently, until this child knows something and they can go and they can use that knowledge. This journey is tough. Teachers in this country are the most overworked and the most underpaid. Parents, we expect our pay to come from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But we do work hard as parents. It's a tough job to be a murabbi because there's no pay. The one you are giving tarbiyah to, the one you are looking after, their every need and their every angle shows no gratitude most of the time. They don't know how much hard work you are doing. How many times, how often it is that we only appreciate our parents when we become parents. I still remember the day I became a father. This was the day I realized the gravity of what my parents did for me more than any other day in my life. Because tarbiyah requires being extremely selfless. And tarbiyah, usually, you get nothing in return. It's a hard job. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, this is the first meaning of Rabb. The one who looks after, the one who nurtures, the one who takes something from 0 to 100% and goes through all the pain and the patience of that journey.